See, men can forgive, but they don't forget. And when they don't forget, that's no forgiveness. Best kept secret for every wife. In this content, I want to share with you the most important secret you should never reveal to your husband, no matter what. Yes, I know some pastors will tell you, don't keep anything from your husband, be open-minded, just reveal everything to him, say it. Yes, you should be truthful. Honesty is the best teacher. But let me tell you today, there are some secrets you reveal that destroys your marriage, destroys you as the wife, and also your kids. Okay, 2 years ago, a woman reached me from South Africa. We chatted on Facebook. From there, we went to WhatsApp. And she told me how the first 2 kids of her marriage, it's not from her husband. It's from her ex-boyfriend. And she told me now she is a deaconess. And she feels so bad that she wants to reveal this to her husband because she now knows God and really wants to reveal this. And I laughed that she has consulted a pastor has prayed for her, and she feels she should open up. And I told her, please, madam, don't reveal this. Because the day you reveal this, the man will not forgive you. He will not just deal with you, it will also affect the lives of those children. Those children never plan how they will come to this world. It was never part of them that you should have extramarital affairs and bring them. Die with this secret. I told her to die with this secret. Confess to God secretly and move on with your life. Because telling him, he will never trust you. See, men can forgive, but they don't forget. And when they don't forget, that's no forgiveness. So the number one secret you should never reveal to your husband is, especially if you've had extramarital affair and it led to pregnancy that led to a child, keep it, die with it. In fact, don't tell anyone. Ask God for forgiveness. God is a merciful God. He gives second chance. If you genuinely seek his forgiveness, he will forgive you and everything will become new. Just forget about telling your husband. This is the best secret you should keep. Intending and newly married couples, this is for you.